Thank you, Chairman. Auburn Dam, scheduled to be started construction 1968. The total cost back then was $431 million. Those were 1968 dollars. I'm sure there'd be more money today, but it would be paid off. A couple days ago in this committee, we were talking about offshore wind, 30 megawatts of offshore wind. We should have all been greatly enamored. This one dam, had it been built, would have produced between 200 and 750 megawatts. Then, now, and into the future. We talk about who's going to pay for water. Well, who's going to pay for water when we built the Don Pedro Reservoir, greatly with local money, in 1974? And today we're facing the state water grab. We build the dam, we get commitments from farmers, we get commitments for electricity, and all of a sudden the environmental community, activists, want to take our water, flush it out to the ocean, call it river restoration, and take away the mechanism for which we service our bonds. I've got state water project customers up and down California who are paying $250 an acre foot for water that they see 5 to 10% of every year for the last 5 years. And they pay 100% the cost every year. So when we talk about paying for the dams, let's look at the math. California has a $3.6 trillion annual GDP. 3.6 trillion. A dream list in today's dollars of water infrastructure improvements would cost about $12 billion. The 2014 Prop 1 water bond that still sits waiting to be used greatly was $7.45 billion. $12 billion is 0.3 of 1% of 1 year of California's GDP. For water infrastructure that would give our state abundance for generations to come. Clean energy, recreation, affordable homes, affordable food, sustainable groundwater, buildable cities where we can actually accommodate the growing workforce in California and give starting families a chance at home ownership, jobs, industry, for 1/3 of 1% of 1 year's GDP. Many ancient societies leave us looking fairly silly right now. Thank you, Chairman. I yield back.